Hi guys, welcome in. Today we are diving into a powerful browser built for people who work seriously online. If your workflow involves managing multiple accounts, running campaigns, or scaling digital operations, this tool is designed to make that process more structured and efficient. In this video, we will break everything down in a clear and simple way so you can understand how it actually works. If you enjoy discovering tools like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future insights and breakdowns. This video is for educational purpose only. It shares general information about a software tool and its features. Always follow platform rules and use such tools responsibly. Viewers, Dolphin Anty is introduced as an anti-detect browser built to help users manage multiple online accounts from one place. Instead of switching devices or mixing accounts in one browser, it creates a central control system where each account runs in its own isolated environment. You can use it on multiple platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux. This makes it flexible for different setups and the work style. So here you can see a link has been provided here if you want to download it for the Windows. Viewers, this browser is often used in areas where scale and organization matter: affiliate marketing and media buying. Users can manage multiple accounts and run campaigns across different platforms. The system helps organize profiles and prepare them for long-term use. Agencies can handle multiple client accounts while keeping each one fully separate. This helps maintain structure and avoids overlapping between clients. And e-commerce operations: online sellers can manage stores across platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. The browser allows multiple accounts to run side by side in a more controlled way. And web scraping and data task is another important feature. It can also support workflows that involve collecting and managing data across different environments. At the core of Dolphin Anty is its fingerprint system. One-click profile creation. You can quickly create new browser profile without complex setups. Custom fingerprints: more than 20 parameters can be adjusted to shape each profile's identity, and profiles can appear as if they are running on different devices and operating systems. Support for mobile environments like iOS and Android is also being developed. This helps create independent environment for each account. Viewers, this browser also focuses on saving time and improving workflow. API automation: you can automate actions across profiles, reducing manual work, and profile cookies and extensions can be stored and accessed across devices on supported plans. And the platform is designed so that account data remains accessible only to the users. Help maintain control over sensitive information. Viewers, Dolphin Anty browser provides a high-performance environment for identity management and synchronized teamwork. Below is a streamlined breakdown of its core functionalities. Precision identity management: this suite ensures every browser profile remains distinct, organic, and untraceable through overall layers of technology. One-click efficiency: viewers instantly generate unique profile using real fingerprints, eliminating manual setup time for new digital identities. And the total fingerprint control, except users can manually fine tune over 20 different parameters to meet specific operational requirements. And the advanced spoofing technology: beyond basic masking, the platform features webcam spoofing and hides anti-detect traces within WebGL, WebGPU, and client hints to present a standard plausible user profile. And the device and OS emulation: users can spoof specific hardware names and utilize iOS or Android fingerprints to appear as mobile vision from a desktop. Here you can also check out another amazing feature, and this is about seamless team collaboration. The team up feature removes friction from group workflows, allowing for the secure and synchronized data management. Profile and assets transfer: move profile proxies and cookies between members instantly, ensuring smooth account transition without data loss. And granular access control: admins can define specific permissions and limits, ensuring team members access only the resources necessary for their roles. Unified bookmark folders ensure all team members have immediate access to the essential group resources, and a dedicated function allows for the permanent and secure transfer of profile ownership within a profile and professional organization. So these are the amazing features for which you must consider this platform. Here you can also check out the views of the people they are using Dolphin anti-detect browser, and here you can also check out the pricing model. Viewers, Dolphin Anty offers different plans developing on your needs. Starter plan around $10 per month for beginners with 20 profiles, and base around $89 a month for individuals and small teams with 100 profiles, and the team plan with $159 per month for larger setups with 300 profiles, and the enterprise plan is around $299 per month for advanced use with 1000 plus profiles. This structure allows users to start small and expand over time. Here you can also check out that if you want to try it, you will have to register your account. The process is simple. You will have to put your email and password, and you can also link your Telegram and other messengers. So after putting this information, you will agree to the terms of services, and then you will create your account. So the process is very simple and very easy. So here you can also check out that getting started is straightforward. The browser supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The interface is built for efficiency with tools like quick profile creation, proxy management, status labels like farming or ready to run. This help users manage high volume work in a more organized way. So here you can also check out the documentation section. If you want to read out the detailed information, here all the documents have been provided. Here you can download and read them. So viewer, this is an amazing platform. This is an amazing tool, and Dolphin Anty is built for users who need structure, separation, and scalability in their own work. And it brings multiple accounts, automation, and environment control into one system. While it's a specialized tool, it can be useful for workflows that require managing many digital identities in an organized way. If this breakdown helped you understand the tool more clearly, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon for more simple and practical guides. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.